Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to transfer USDT from MEXC to your bank account in 2025. If you're new here, USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for crypto transactions. MEXC is a reliable exchange for trading and withdrawing assets. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates, as crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. First, ensure your MEXC account is fully verified. Head to the MEXC website or app and log in with your credentials. Verification is crucial for withdrawals to prevent any hiccups. Think of it as your safety net against scams. Next, navigate to the Wallets section and find your USDT balance. Before transferring to your bank, you'll need to convert USDT to fiat currency, like USD or your local money, because banks don't accept crypto directly. Go to the Trade or Exchange tab, select USDT, and sell it for your desired fiat. Keep an eye on fees. They can eat into your profits, so aim for the best rates. Once you have fiat in your MEXC wallet, head over to the Withdraw section. Choose your fiat currency, enter your bank account details, and specify the amount. Double-check everything: account numbers, bank name, and any required codes, to avoid errors. MEXC might ask for additional verification, like a 2FA code, for security. After submitting, withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and location. Monitor your transaction status in the MEXC dashboard. Remember, there could be network fees or minimum withdrawal limits, so plan accordingly. Finally, once the funds hit your bank, you're all set. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share sensitive info. If you're just starting out, this is a great way to cash out your crypto profits. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.